It's Nancy Slayton. Today's Thursday the 5th, and I'm here with Joe Lloyd, our superintendent, who'll tell us everything that's been accomplished since last week when we gave a tour.
Standing in the main entry. So we drywalled all the underside of the trusses, and now we're in the process of framing what's going to be your cathedral ceiling going up to the cupola. That mechanical is the black iron exhaust duct for the kitchen. So we go through several stages of installation and inspections on that, but that's all fire wrapped and ready. Last Friday we set all the rooftop units on the roof, which is a big milestone. So all the equipment is set up and being connected right now. Done a lot of sprinkler work in here.
Feels warm. Are all the windows on, or just have more heat?
Probably 80% of the windows are on and a lot of insulation is, so it just it holds the heat a lot better. This is the framing for the drywall ceiling above the main staircase. Made a lot of progress on the drywall and taping. It's a little messy during this operation. So it's a couple coats of taping on there, sand it, final coat, and then we're ready for prime paint.
Great.
Programming room, so walls are drywall. This is a perimeter drywall soffit around it, and then there'll be a acoustical ceiling in the middle. See all the mechanicals roughed in, ready for the grid.
No, I didn't think this was going to be as large. This is really great size.
Yeah, this is, and I'll say when you prime it, it actually probably will feel slightly larger. It goes through different stages during the construction of the feel of the building. When it's framed, it tends to tighten up. It feels like it, and when it's drywall and primed, it actually gets more of the actual space. Storage room, right?
Maybe all the spin bikes will fit in there. I was concerned it was too small a space for what we're going to use it for. Yeah, it could work.
Have a nice view. IT closet, main corridor. This is a window looking over the stairwell. Locker niche. The laundry. Roughed in for the water, and that's the gas for the dryer. Exhaust for the dryer. Similar finished details in here is the perimeter soffit framed, and we'll be laying acoustical ceiling in the middle.
Oh, it's really bright.
Now this is almost with no lights. Fitness director's office. Couple of bathrooms.
It's quiet. Lunchtime?
Yeah, it's great thing. Take a look out here. This is the scaffold we erected over the swimming pool. Finished this last Friday, and we're running our mechanicals. This is all the sprinkler pipe, and the drain pipe is running insulated up in the attic space.
Yeah.
The new water source is running there. We also completed all the underground work in the pool deck, all the electrical, gas, and drains, pool plumbing down there.
Okay. So what happens next down there?
Next, we're getting ready to pour it. We have to work with our pool guy. He's got a couple details, the gutter to line up, and then pour the slab on grade down there. We set the main electrical transformer for the building, and we're in the process of getting that ready to liven up the permanent power with ComEd, and that'll happen next week. Fingers crossed. level. We'll take a walk downstairs. Kitchen, we completed the floor. This is protection on the floor so we can do the rest of our work. Tomorrow we'll put the stainless behind the hoods. The hoods are installed and they got finished tied in yesterday. We have a couple more inspections, final tie-in light test, and then insulation will be for the black iron duct. But we'll put this stainless on Friday and Saturday, finish up our FRP, and start the ceiling grid.
When do you see the equipment arriving?
It's actually on site, so we should end of next week we should start moving it into this space. And then we'll start our work in the existing kitchen. This wall will get removed and this is an actual connection to the existing. Installing the windows, and we're finished with those, and we're installing all the entry doors. We just walked past one with the glass. Helps tighten the building up a lot. This is the women's locker room. So see the drywall on the walls is complete, and it's dirt rock where the tile goes. Some niches on the sides of the vanities. We got all the ceiling soffits framed up. Area. Three showers in this is the sauna.
So what happens next in this locker room?
We drywall the ceilings, and then it's tile.
Okay.
That room is the indoor concession seating. It's kind of full of our equipment right now.
Is that the ceiling height in this space?
No, it drops down.
Okay.
That's the truss space.
Okay. Well, it stopped raining.
Yeah, it turned out to be a better day than I expected. Next step in here is the FRP on the walls in here. Finish the ceiling, flooring goes in the end of April. Same down here, we got all the walls, drywall, taping for the process, framing all the drywall ceilings, some mechanical stuff in there, and then maybe a couple of family bathrooms here.
Great. And the door. So one door on the
That's
side
the
light.
main door out to the beach area. There's the boys and girls locker room, bathrooms. plumbing framing's up, mechanical rough's going in. We grab all the ceilings next, and then we're ready for
And the door.
door in there. Door for entry out to the beach.
Nice. Nice and bright.
See the girls.
It's good. It's really good.
This main electrical room. These guys are in the process of pulling the cables for the Continent tie-in. This would be the men's locker room. Locker area. Sauna. 3 showers.
Excuse me?
Want to go outside?
Yeah, sure.
Walking out into the spa, which is this is our main temporary entrance to the construction site.
So what's next in this room? Will this open at the same time as that building, or are you tying these two
No, the
together?
spa and the pool are
Are
together
one.
because
Okay.
there's the separation is
Okay.
grading separation is at the spa.
All right.
So the next thing in here is the slab on grade. Same thing, spa and pool area. This is obviously the scaffold we built. We saw it from up the top. You can see below. We built it in a way that we cantilevered it so that it wouldn't interfere with us pouring the slab and still allow us to get to the outside walls.
When do you expect the slab to be poured?
Working on setting it up for next week to get started.
Great. Wow, the building looks so good from the parking lot. Now that the whole roof's on.
Yeah, the shake roof we completed last Friday too. So nice thing clean. We're starting the metal roof.
Oh, good.
Well, we aren't. We went to start it Tuesday and Wednesday rain. Today the high winds, which we don't seem to be experiencing, but that's why we didn't, because it's metal and it would just risk of damage on it. But we should be back on it tomorrow. We'll start this way and work our way around the east. And now setting some final glass, and we're starting our trim on this side today.
Nice.
Happy to be back outside.
Yeah. So, boys and girls locker rooms. Ooh, good thing you have a hat on.
You can see the upper portion of the building is sided. About 90% on this east side. Now we're starting on this lower section down here.
So what's that unit we're looking at now?
That's an exhaust fan. It mounts the curb is already up on that roof. There's 2 exhaust fans. One's the kitchen exhaust, and the other is general exhaust for the building.
Oh, is that the shutter?
That's the shutter.
Okay. Great. So what's the plan out here?
Hopefully, a little bit of of wind and weather help. Looks like today, tomorrow, and weekend, and it dries up a little bit, and we'll get started grading out here next week.
That looks wonderful. Thanks, Joe.